After years of trying several strategies, if I was to go back in time to start all over again in trading and choose just one strategy that I'm going to trade with, in this video, I'm going to share with you the one strategy that I'm going to trade with. The first thing I would do would be to focus on the bigger time frame market structure, 12-month time frame, showing me we're bullish. The moment I ascertain that we're bullish on 12 months, I'm going into the intraday levels from the weekly, daily. Daily, I'm marking out the high, the low, use the Fibonacci to determine the discount, extreme discount. In this case, I'm bullish. I want to see a mitigation of the extreme discount. And as you can see very nicely, price mitigated that key level. The moment we mitigated the extreme discount, you can see right here, we have an inefficiency resting there. Once price mitigates it, I'm looking for a 30 minutes break of structure to the upside. The moment I see a 30 minutes break of structure to the upside, I'm looking for either the last down close candle or an inefficiency to use as an entry. Right here, you can see we'll have a high, a low, break of structure, inefficiency, my entry, stop loss, the low, and my take profit, a low resistance liquidity, resting right here,